Hi, I'm the mayor.
And I'm the head of business development.
Welcome to Kolding, the Entrepreneurship Center in Denmark.
In Kolding, we offer entrepreneurs a unique setting to develop your idea and your business.
We have a long tradition working with design, innovation and startups. We would like to offer you a short tour around the entrepreneurship hotspots in Kolding, so stay tuned.
Here at Hovedkvarteret, we have the space and the desire to help innovative entrepreneurs and creative designers and startups. We believe that placing creative and innovative people close together create an inspiring environment. Hovedkvarteret is especially suited for IT startups such as app developers, web developers and so on. But in reality, everyone is welcome here in our ever-expanding network.
In Studieby Kolding, we have a broad variety of educational opportunities, which makes the city great to study in. Studieby Kolding, we encourage collaboration between different institutes. Furthermore, we try our best to guide entrepreneurial minds and creative souls to start up their own business while studying.
Here in Pakhuset, we are building a unique environment where students, companies and organizations can work together. We are creating a community where ideas can grow and become actual companies. Pakhuset is an innovation and entrepreneurship center driven by enthusiasm, energy and synergy.
This is House of Innovation, and House of Innovation is a dynamic hub in the heart of Kolding. We have many inspiring activities that help entrepreneurs and innovative companies to succeed. We believe that a network and an inspiring environment is important in the development of good ideas.
Start up your business in Kolding.
We hope to see you soon.